Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of Concept Sheet. Today's topic is about a conjunction, or you can say a joining words. Joining words to make one sentence. For example, he was poor man, full stop, he was honest. He was poor man, full stop, he was honest. Now we have to join a word to make this sentence a one sentence. He was poor man, yet we have write the word yet he was. Now H will be in a small letter. He was honest. So the word yet joined the two sentences into one sentence. So the joining words are known as conjunction. Now we will start with the exercise. First one is we have to join the words by and, or, because, but, or when. First sentence is Vijay wanted to wish Sushil because it was his birthday. Okay. Now second sentence, Salim cannot bat well, but we will write here but, and H will be in a small letter. He can bowl very well. Right? Now third one, Amar may be in the garden or maybe, or you write here, or he may be in the kitchen. So you have seen that these first one, Vijay wanted to wish Sushil because it was his birthday. Salim cannot bat well, but he can bowl very well, and Amar may be in the garden or maybe in the kitchen. Now tick the correct conjunction and you have to write it again. For example, Kavita will not go out today. She has to study for her test. So we have to choose the word from these three. Kavita will not go out today because she has to study for her test. The children went out to play. It had stopped raining. When it had stopped raining. So C, D, E you have to do by your own by choosing the correct words given in the brackets. Now we have to, so you have to choose from this sentence. Now here we have to underline the conjunction and we have to split the sentence into two sentences. Okay, now first one, you can perform better if, the word is if, you are happy with your job. The sentence will be joined by the if, then this sentence will be come in a first part and it is will be in a second part, like you are happy with your job, full stop, you can perform better. It's a second sentence. Now next sentence is you will not able to enter the hall unless you come on time. The sentence will be like this: you come on time, full stop, you will not able to enter the hall. Now third point is, she is very sincere, therefore everybody depends on her. Capital E, everybody depends on her. She is very sincere. So like this, you have to complete all the sentences given in this chapter. Now, exercise 4. Here, we have to join with a suitable word. First one has been done. Now, second one is, Raju is naughty. He is disobedient. Raju is naughty, but he is not disobedient. Pay attention to what your teacher says, or you will not understand the lesson without it. So, you have understand how to complete the conjunction by adding the words like or, and, with, unless, therefore, but. So complete this concept sheet. We will meet in our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.